Hi everybody and welcome to Lydford Caravan and Camping Park. Let's take a look around. And real quick before we start here, if you like this video, why not go ahead and click that thumbs up button, and if you really like the video, head over and subscribe to the channel. And Lydford Caravan and Camping Park is tucked away just inside the west of Dartmoor National Park. Just a short walk from Lydford village, the campground is accessed via School Road, which isn't the biggest of roads with no paths, so take care and look out for pedestrians. And this is us driving in when we visited in 2022. And now that we have arrived, let's take a walk around the campground. We found this site thanks to our membership to the Caravan and Motorhome Club site, as this is an affiliated site. And the road around all the pitches is a one-way road. And this is one of the fields with plenty of hard standing pitches. And now let's walk around the rest of the site. And this is us on the right here with the hexagonal awning. And now let's show you the grass field just through this gap here. Okay, let's keep going. And here we are approaching the shower block on the right hand side. And we are now back at reception, so let's check out some of the amenities. And there are decent enough showers and toilets, but two things did bug me a little bit. Firstly, the showers are push button, and this shower only stayed on for about 5 seconds before you had to push the button again. And there is only one peg, which is why I chose this shower to make use of the windowsill. And a basic but totally functional dishwashing area. And there's also a small laundry area as well. And of course, you can't have a decent campsite without a motorhome service point. typical toilet, there is a chemical disposal unit as well, and this is it. And finally, as we look around Lydford Caravan and Camping Park, here is one of the bin areas with water points. And our trip here was all about our visit to Lydford Gorge, which is within walking distance from the campsite. Don't forget to subscribe to see more from this beautiful part of the world. And the Castle Inn is a great pub in Lydford village to get some food after a long hike. Or perhaps some liquid refreshment. All in all, this was a nice campsite to stay at, especially if you want to visit the gorge, which we did, but hopefully you will have better weather. And don't forget, if you found this video useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next video.